Introduction of Household Central Air Conditioning. Background. With the development of society and technology, household central air conditioning has the characteristics of variable frequency, environmental protection, energy saving, high efficiency, and abundant terminal equipment. It quickly entered thousands of homes and public places, growing at a geometric rate each year. The development of the air conditioning from the window-type air conditioner to the air conditioner to the central air conditioning system is the inevitable result of the technological and social progress. The final household central air conditioning will become the mainstream product of the air conditioning market. Household Central Air Conditioning Unit. Household Central Air Conditioning is also called frequency conversion, also known as VRV or VRF. Its technology is relatively complex, including DC speed regulation, automotive control, environmental refrigeration technology, and so on. It requires very high installation requirements. 3-point quality, 7-point installation. In the installation market, the quality of the installation personnel is uneven. Because the installation quality is not high, it directly affects the performance of the high performance of the household central air conditioner and the storage of talent in the maintenance technology. According to the Wuhan Refrigeration Association, there are about 20,000 high vocational students who need refrigeration every year. In the future, the demand will increase with a geometric base number and objectively provide a broad prospect for the employment of the professional graduates of refrigeration and air conditioning specialties. YL-835 Central Air Conditioning System. The practical training assessment system developed by YALONG Company is the only practical training equipment for central air conditioning in China. It has more than 10 national patents. It is a competition product of the 2014 National Vocational College Skills Competition, Indoor Air Conditioning Installation and Debugging Competition. The device basically covers the core technical content of household central air conditioning and DC speed regulation and provides scientific practical training technology. Equipment installation, maintenance as a technical platform close to the reality. The emphasis is on the installation and maintenance of the electrical and refrigeration systems. It starts from the 4 aspects of product structure display, assessment, installation, and maintenance training. It can be used to provide teaching and training platform for teachers and students in the fields of refrigeration, electrician, electronics, and automation. The structure and technical characteristics are as follows. YL-835 Central Air Conditioning System of the main components introduction. The outdoor platform is composed of the following main parts. Control module. The control module can conduct computer assessment on the fault of the circuit through interface and computer connection. The software of YALONG SV001F Intelligent Simulation Training System has obtained the National Computer Software Copyright, and the registration number is 2007 SR16935, which is applicable to universities, secondary schools, and training stations. The system consists of students' software and teachers' software. The PC is connected to the actual training device through the serial port and then connected with the teacher's PC via Ethernet so as to realize the PC control of multiple students. Software support: Windows 9X, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows 2003, applies operating system. Power supply module. The power supply of the outdoor unit and the power of the indoor machine are 2 separate power sources, and the current of the whole machine is shown in the ammeter. The schematic diagram of the outdoor machine consists of three parts: main control circuit, power module, and protection circuit. The piping system of the outdoor machine is shown. The joint of the air tube and liquid pipe is used for maintenance and installation. The device can simulate the running condition of the fluid. Mesh plate. It can perform three-dimensional spatial orientation with the derrick. The duct platform is composed of the following modules: air outlet, internal machine module, equipped with the return wind and air temperature meter, communication and power supply security socket. Schematic diagram of indoor machine. Control schematic diagram of wind tube. Control schematic diagram of wind tube type chamber machine. The embedded platform consists of the following main parts: the indoor unit is equipped with a temperature meter for return air and wind and a secure socket for communication and power supply. Schematic diagram of indoor machine. The wall bracket is composed of the following main parts: the indoor unit is equipped with a temperature meter for return air and wind and a secure socket for communication and power supply. Schematic diagram of indoor machine. Indoor machine control schematic diagram. In order to enrich the learning style, reduce the teaching burden of teachers, and get rid of the phenomenon of improving skills only by training equipment, expand and extend the function of training equipment, make the skilled learning more vivid, and rapidly improve the vocational skills of students. YALONG has organized the Central Air Conditioning Installation and Commissioning Contest of the National Vocational College Skills Competition in 2014.